Number 4.
Mm-hmm.
One angle is 5 less than 4 times the supplement. Find the measure of each angle.
Okay, so we have supplement. That means supplement means it is equal to how many?
180.
180. So that means something plus another something. And the other something can start with the x. So let's look at the expression. When something is 5 less than 4 times its supplement, and its supplement is x, I would say 4x what? Minus 5. And when I combine like terms, we get, is that 5x minus 5? Is 180. Then I have 5x, 185. Good so far? How many must be my x then? 37. But just because you're finding the x doesn't mean that's the final answer. This is a supplement. X is a supplement. Find the measure of each angle. So I found one of them. Since I know those two angles must be 180, instead of plugging it into 4x minus 5, what else can I do? 180 minus 37, which is going to give us how many? 143. If you want to plug it in, by all means, go for it. We'll get the exact same answer. Okay? Now let's look at number 6. Okay, Hannah, let's read number 6, please.
X is the midpoint of RT. If Rx equals 4x minus 12, then xt equals 2x plus 6. Find RT.
The first thing we should do is draw a what? A line. A line segment to be specific. We have RT. It is a midpoint. That means it's exactly in the middle. And it's given that Rx is 4x minus 12 and xt is 2x plus 6. So I gave you two formulas on the notes. It was part plus part is equal to the whole, or they're both equivalent to each other. Do I know anything about the whole thing? No, but I do know these two are what to each other? Equal. So I have 4x minus 12 is equal to 2x plus 6. And when I do my tedious math, we're going to get 2x over here, 18 over here. Are we okay with that? And then x would be how many? 9, but that's not it. It says to find RT, and I want you to notice something. RT is a whole segment, so you have many ways to go about this. Yes, plug it in, and add, right? Or for me, I would plug it into the easier expression and multiply it by 2. And when you do, we'll get that RT is 48. So if one way works out for you, perfectly fine, okay? Okay, the last part together, let's go on to number 8. Is it number 8? Yeah. 8B. All right. Luke, let's read 8B, please.
G is the midpoint of AD. AG equals 2x plus 9. GD equals...
Maybe he's reading both, right?
Oh, okay, yeah. EC bisects GD at H. DH equals 2x plus 5. GD equals 5x plus 3. Find GD.
All right. Notice our picture is quite overwhelming. So I would draw the image just so that I have enough information. So I know I need EC. So let's see where EC is. There's EC. I also know I need GD. And I know I need DH, which is part of it. And I need GD as well. So I guess that will be enough. So it says EC is bisecting GD. So here's my G. There's my D. EC is cutting this in half. So it's going to cut GD in half, not each other. And I should put in, was it point H in the middle?
Yes.
Okay. So it says DH is 2x plus 5. And then we know what else? As a whole, it is how many? 5x plus 3. So just by the logic, we know this whole thing is not equivalent to its half, correct? But we know this half could be repeated to the other side, which is 2x plus 5. So would this be part is equal to a part, or part plus part is equal to a whole? Part plus part. So we're looking at 2x plus 5 plus 2x plus 5 is equal to the whole thing, 5x plus 3. Hopefully you can do the algebra 1 part. X should have equaled how many?
4.
Ooh,
7.
7. And it says to find GD, so might as well just plug it in here. So I have 5 times a 7 plus a 3, and I heard 38. So GD is 38.